How to file taxes for free in 2026, tax year 2025. Filing taxes can be expensive, especially for people with freelancing income, investments, or new tax breaks to claim. Below are the most reliable ways to file for $0 or very low cost this tax season, for tax year 2025 returns filed in 2026. 1. FreeTax USA, best for complexity. Best for freelancers, investors, home office filers, and other complex situations. Federal cost, $0. FreeTax USA allows you to prepare and e-file your federal return for free regardless of income. State cost, $15.99 per state, fee applies. Supports, Schedule C, self-employment, Schedule D, stock/crypto, home office deduction, and other complex forms without forcing a paid upgrade. Why it's a good choice. Some competitors require you to pay for premium versions when you have certain income types. FreeTax USA generally does not. This aligns with current offerings. 2. Cash App taxes, truly free, federal plus state. Best for single state filers who want totally free filing. Federal and state cost, $0 for both, no income limits. Supports major forms including self-employment and investment income. Limitations. O does not support multi-state returns if you lived/worked in more than one state in 2025. O requires a Cash App account and login. Many users and tax observers confirm Cash App taxes remains free for both federal and state filings without paid upsells. Free. IRS Free File, guided software, income-based. Best for taxpayers with an adjusted gross income, AGI, of $89,000 or less. How it works. Visit irs.gov/freefile to access brand name tax software, e.g., TaxSlayer, TaxAct, Easy Tax Return, at no cost if you qualify. Important. You must start your tax filing through the IRS Free File portal. Going directly to company websites might lead to fees for the same services. Additional, if your income is above the Free File eligibility limit, you can still use Free File feeable forms, no guided support, at no cost. This is the official IRS free filing program for eligible taxpayers. New for the 2026 filing season, tax year 2025. IRS Direct File has ended. The IRS no longer offers the government-run, direct file, free filing system that was tested in previous years. Taxpayers must now use IRS Free File, commercial-free versions, like Cash App or select IRS Free File partners, volunteer programs, like Vita/TCE, or paper/free feeable forms. Key tax law changes affecting 2025 returns. Many changes from the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, OBBBA, take effect for tax year 2025. These are temporary, through 2028, and may include income phase-outs. Expanded or new deductions, filed on Schedule 1A. These provisions are official parts of the tax law for 2025. No tax on tips. Eligible taxpayers can deduct up to $25,000 in qualified tip income, phases out at higher incomes. No tax on overtime premiums, a deduction on the extra pay portion of overtime, details vary by situation. No tax on car loan interest, deduct up to $10,000 in interest on new, U.S.-assembled personal vehicle loans. Enhanced senior deduction, individuals 65 plus can take an extra $6,000 deduction on top of the regular standard deduction. These are claimed with updated IRS forms, including a redesigned Schedule 1A. Other 2025 tax details worth knowing. 1099 Reporting Thresholds. Form 1099-K, under current IRS rules rebooted by recent legislation, the reporting threshold for third-party payment networks, like Venmo/PayPal, is reinstated at $20,000 in payments and 200 transactions for tax year 2025. Note, some states still require a 1099-K at much lower thresholds, like $600. Important, even if you don't receive a 1099-K, you're still required to report all taxable income. The form is just an information return. Form 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC, reporting thresholds for payments to independent contractors and miscellaneous income are expected to increase to $2,000 starting in 2026, for 2026 income reported in 2027, though for 2025 income they may still be issued at $600. Home Office Deduction. Both Free Tax USA and Cash App taxes support the Home Office deduction, including the simplified method, e.g., $5 per SQ feet. The simplified method is often easier to use if you don't want to track every utility. Guide info reflects generally accurate support. Quick tips. If you use IRS Free File, always start at irs.gov/freefile. Going directly to a software company's site may result in charges for the same return. You must report all taxable income, even if it doesn't generate a 1099 form. Direct File is no longer available for 2026 returns. References and helpful links. Resource. Official URL. IRS Free File Portal. irs.gov/freefile. IRS Official Free File page. irs.gov/freefile. Free Tax USA. freetaxusa.com. Cash App Taxes. cash.app/taxes, official Cash App site. IRS OBBBA deductions. irs.gov/newsroom/1-big-beautiful-bill-act-of-2025- provisions.